Hello, this is Lisa with Archadeck of Chicagoland, and I'm here at a home in Geneva, Illinois, where we've built a low-maintenance deck, a paver patio, and a pergola as well. And the project turned out really cool, so I'll show you. I'll back up so you can get a full view, and I'll go through some of the details that are involved here. So the homeowner came to us and said, I'd like some sort of roof structure, maybe pergola, maybe gazebo, and they told us how they wanted to use the space, and we put this plan together based on that. So you can see the pergola up top, which has not been stained yet because this was just built. You want to wait a little while to stain it. And you can see the black strips up there. That is actually tracking for mosquito curtains. So they have mosquito curtains around the whole pergola, so when they're out here during the summer, when there's bugs, it's like they're in an enclosed screen porch, and it's bug free. So you can see we have this fun wrap stair that comes from the deck down to the patio, which flows really nicely and makes it feel like it's a connected space instead of two separate areas. And then we have this seat wall here as a backing for their grills, but also a little bit of extra seating for entertaining. So perfect little patio space, either for a few grills or for a small fire pit and a few chairs in the summertime. And the railing that they went with here is a vinyl railing. This is a white vinyl with round aluminum spindles, and we've got a low maintenance deck board for the rail cap. So it gives it a very clean look, and it's very easy to clean as well. So they're very excited about how everything turned out, and you can see they've got a lot of, not right now because it's winter, but a lot of beautiful landscaping. So having this deck down to patio with the wrap stair really just opens it up beautifully into the rest of their yard.